Welcome to our presentation of PDSA's eTimeTrak. Thank you very much for joining us today. My name is Michael Krasowski and I'll be your host for the presentation on eTimeTrak. Today we're going to cover the overview of eTimeTrak and its main features, its benefits, some very good pricing, and next steps. TimeTrak is a very powerful and easy to use web-based time management system. It's as simple as that. Capture all your labor hours and provide you all the data you need for invoicing, for example. Capture your necessary labor hours and demonstrate how your budget is being utilized across different customers or departments. And also you could provide the information for any internal accounting chargebacks if you're in a corporate environment. It's very easy to install on your web servers and comes with a complete user manual, of course. Some of its main features are to be able to capture multiple customers, projects, and tasks. So hours themselves are tracked to a particular task, and each task is part of a project. Each project can have multiple tasks, and you can have many projects for a customer. And there are no limits on the number of customers and projects and tasks that you wish to have. A particular timesheet entry consists of the resource or the person that actually expended the time, the customer it's under, the project it's under, the task, the hours consumed, a description, and the date and timestamp of that activity. You could also assign billing rates. Billing rates can be defined at the global level, like what's the billing rate for your entire company, or you could provide additional granularity for a particular customer, or a project for that customer, or for one of many tasks, or actually for the resource itself. Any numbers of these combinations are all valid concurrently at the same time. So that customization is very powerful. Billing periods. Billing periods can be defined over any date range. It could be a weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or customize a billing period. For each billing period, you can define a status, whether it's pending, open, locked, or closed. And a billing period that's pending is one that's in the future that you do not allow time to go into, but you've defined it. That way you could define a whole year of billing periods if you'd like, but only allow time entries to be placed in open billing periods. After a billing period is completed, you can then lock it, you can validate it, make sure all the entries are right, you could correct entries, etc. Then you would close the billing period, and once it's closed, no changes can be made. A lot of flexibility in our billing periods as well. You can export data. The easiest way is you can export to a CSV file. You can do it over any range of time, and you can do it across multiple customers, projects, and tasks, etc. This allows you to import the data into QuickBooks or other applications for invoicing or reporting and such. We have some reports that come with the system: TimeTrak report, project status report, and billable activity drill down report. And the TimeTrak report allows you to see where people have not placed their time and where they have placed their time. So in case someone's behind in entering their time, you can get after and make sure they get their time in. Project status report allows you to compare actual time spent against an estimate for a task. This gives you a great handle on doing project management. And billable activity drill down allows you to slice and dice the data across customers, projects, and tasks and resources to see where your time is going across any range of time as well. Very powerful, and we use it as a way to double check to make sure all your entries are in and all the entries are accurate. Security. TimeTrak comes with 50+ security and auditing features completely built in. For example, you can force people to change their password every 60 days. You could make it so that a password has to be at least 8 characters long and be a strong password. Tons of other features like that. Also, there's a lot of auditing built in, all automatic, so any change to the system is tracked in audit tables. We also track all user logins and logouts, and all page navigations are tracked. So in the event there is an issue or a fraudulent activity, you could actually get in there and find out exactly what happened. Administrators, of course, can manage users. define customers, projects, and tasks, rates, billing periods, menus, roles, and permissions. So the administrator for the system would be have the power to do a variety of tasks. We have a concept called role-based users. You can add new users to the system. You will assign them to a role, and a role has a variety of permissions. A permission could be the ability to see a menu. It could be the ability to delete something. Examples like that. Out of the box, it comes with the following roles: executive, project manager, office manager, and employee. Executive has full access. Project manager has most features, but in this case we don't allow them to add new customers, but they can add new projects and tasks and such. Office manager has sufficient features to perform the billing function. An employee has the ability to do the timesheet entries. You may create other roles as well as you need them and assign the appropriate permissions. The basic system requirements are a Windows 2003 or better server, IIS 6.0, the .NET 3.5 framework, SQL Server 2005. Yes, this is the kind of the techie stuff under the hood, but it may be helpful for your IT infrastructure to know what platforms eTimeTrak runs on. Lots of great benefits. You can track your time against estimates. That is probably one of the most important features of this system. Most organizations do not track their time, and therefore they do not know how well they do against their estimates, which doesn't give them the ability to improve their estimating processes. This is a great benefit. Hence, you can review your performance to estimates, so you can compare your actuals against the estimate, and then you can take corrective action. I mean, for example, if you've used 20 hours out of a 30-hour task, but you've only finished 10% of the material at work, you need to go talk to that person and figure out what's going on. Maybe they need more training, maybe the estimates were quite accurate, maybe the requirements document wasn't sufficient, etc. It also allows you, as a great benefit, the ability to review any past projects to see how much time you've used and to use that data to forecast new projects. Other benefits are the ability to perform chargebacks to user departments. So if you're using this system internally in a corporate environment, you may be supporting organizations in accounting or manufacturing, marketing, sales, engineering departments, and then they all want their piece of your organization. Let's say, for example, you're an IT organization. You're going to want to be able to tell each of those customer areas, here is where all my time is going as an IT organization. Also, if you have external customers, you're going to want to accurately track your time and bill your clients. The system will do that for you. Now, we've invested over 700 plus hours into the system. At the average rate today for an experienced .NET developer at $75 an hour, it'd be over a $50,000 system. And you're going to receive that for a lot less money. It's a great deal we have to offer you. Our license information for a single server, which is basically all you need. It will totally support any number of users. There's no limit to that. And we offer a $1,000 discount for PSIC members, that's Paul Sheriff's Inner Circle members, and a $500 discount if you attend one of our webcasts. Installation support, easy installation, fully documented, and free phone support to help you install. Annual maintenance, first year is free. Will cost you nothing. Ensures you get all the upgrades, unlimited email support, unlimited phone support, 24-hour web support, and after the first year, it's a small $1,000 annual maintenance fee. Lastly, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to give me a call, Michael Krasowski, or David Lafort. Our numbers are on the screen. Our email IDs are on the screen. Also, if you would like a custom webcast for you and your company, we'll be happy to do that over the internet. Or if you're local to Orange County, California, we'll be more than happy to come to your office and demonstrate this product. Thank you very much. This is Michael Krasowski, and I hope to see you soon at one of our webcasts. Thank you.